If you want to access audio effects in VLC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the audio effects panel, how to open it, and what tools you can use to improve or customize your sound. Whether you want to adjust the equalizer, turn on compression, add spatial audio, widen stereo, or explore the advanced options, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is launched, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and the one you need is Tools. Click on Tools to open the menu. Inside the Tools menu, look for the option called Effects and Filters. This is the section in VLC where you can control a lot of playback settings, including audio and video adjustments. Click Effects and Filters to open the settings window. When the window appears, make sure you are in the Audio Effects tab. VLC usually opens with the correct tab available, but if not, just click on Audio Effects at the top. This is the area where all the sound customization options are located. From here, you can start modifying different audio features. The first one is the Equalizer. This lets you change how different frequencies sound, so you can boost bass, increase treble, or fine-tune the audio to your preference. If you're watching music videos or want clearer speech, the Equalizer can make a big difference. Next, you'll see the Compressor. This option helps balance louder and quieter sounds, which can be useful if audio levels keep jumping up and down. It can make voices and sound effects feel more even during playback. You may also notice the Spatializer. This effect is designed to give the sound a more immersive feel, almost as if the audio is coming from around you. It can be useful if you want a richer listening experience. Another option is Stereo Widener. This can expand the stereo field and make the sound feel broader and more separated between the left and right channels. If the audio feels too narrow, this can help open it up. Finally, there's the Advanced section. This gives you additional audio controls and fine-tuning options if you want more detailed customization. It's perfect if you like to experiment with playback settings and get the sound exactly how you want it. Once you've made your changes, you can simply close the window or keep testing different settings until you're happy with the audio quality. VLC makes it easy to access these tools whenever you need them, so you can quickly adjust sound without installing any extra software. So that's how to access audio effects in VLC and use the main audio tools available in the player. If this tutorial helped you out, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.